So I thought I'd give you a tour of my hut. I'm pretty sure that is for rinsing your feet off. Well, at least I hope it is, because that's what I've been using it for. Hopefully I haven't insulted anybody by doing that. Then a little wreath. Isn't that cute? Open the door. And this is what it looks like. These little benches by the front door. And you step up. My super fancy bed. My closet nook thing. The chair I don't sit in. My view. I've never stayed in a beach so green. This is what it looks like from the back. And then a little bathroom, in case you were curious what it looked like. Towels. Cute little sink. Little shower. With a view. Oops. It's pretty awesome.